Today we are going to learn the second topic of prose on saying please. It is an essay written by A.G. Gardiner. When we talk about manners, the certain words are there that show courtesy, like good morning, please, excuse me, sorry, thank you. All these words show your personality, what kind of a person you are, and they please the person to whom you show courtesy. In this icebreaker section, we have shown the certain characteristics of the people they are, what kind of the people they are. Certain words are given: convene, conspiring, insensitive, that is they are trying to pretend, ignorant, humorous people. There are different kinds of people. Benevolent means who are trying to get the things disposed of by doing good. Then wise people are there, egoistic people are there, rude people are there. So what kind of people do you prefer? Listed below are the few characteristic traits. So who are positive thinkers? What kind of people, what kind of behavior is good is the list given there. You can understand it by the meanings given there. So this is the icebreaker's second question that I have already solved it here. Children, when we live in the society, we need to follow certain etiquettes and manners so that we are accepted in the society in a proper way. So these are: while receiving a phone call or a lecture, what kind of behavior should be yours; when we knock somebody's office door, like principal's office door, what kind of etiquette should we follow; we should take the permission before entering the classroom. All these are the etiquettes that are being taught to you in the school. So these are your appropriate behaviors when we are living in the society with the people. They make life easy and concerned, that need to be followed. These are given in this question. Read it. The topic that we are going to learn today is on saying please. This is an essay. It is written by Alfred George Gardiner. He liked himself to be called as A.G. Gardiner, born on 18 June 1865 and died on 3rd March 1946. So this was his lifespan. Then who he was an English journalist from London. He was an editor, he was an author and an essayist. That is his background. He was a newspaper editor. His uh, initial life was gone in uh, doing the editorship. After that he shifted from his style of writing to essay writing. His pen name was Alpha of the Plough and his writings were conversational type. His style of writing was in a conversation style. His uniqueness, the writings of him were unique because of his ability to teach, to give a moral in an amusingly easy manner. That is, he used to give the manners, give the teachings in a easy way. That was the uniqueness of his style of teaching and writing. On saying please, this name itself, this topic itself suggests that the author tries to point out the value of good manners in social life. He wants to give us the importance of courtesy, politeness in our daily behavior. He says that polite speech and manners, good manners, that sweeten the atmosphere. If the person is with good manners and good speech, he is going to be courteous and he is going to spread sweetness in the atmosphere. In the same way, if the person is ill mannered, he is going to spoil or pollute the atmosphere. That is the important thing that he wants to suggest. He wants to give us what is right and what is wrong by showing manners in the present essay. The essay starts with the two people, a liftman and the passenger. The essay is based on the incidents of the these two people, one is the liftman and the other is the passenger. As the passenger enters the lift, he says, the passenger says to the liftman, top. Now top here means the passenger wanted to go to the top floor. But now the liftman, he says top please. He wants the passenger should say him please along with top. So he says him that add please to it. The passenger is not willing to say please to the liftman and says only top. So annoyingly the liftman throws the passenger out, for the passenger is not willing to say please. Definitely the liftsman behavior of throwing out the passenger is not correct. His reaction is not proper. But from the liftman's side, his self-respect was hurt. But for that again the author argues that hurting somebody physically for showing some disrespect is not proper. So it is not an offense. The author says that the wound of self-respect may poison the day. Means your day will go wrong if you are hurting somebody emotionally. With this very incident, the author wants to bring to our notice the importance of saying please. The author also wants to convey us the importance of saying the golden words. These are meant to be concerned about other people's service. We should be courteous about others and their service. Discourtesy and bad manners is not an illegal offense, and as the author says, but if the discourtesy and bad manners are shown, it does not give you the permission to attack anybody as done by the liftman, and the liftman was fined for his misbehavior, but the misbehavior of the passenger was not taken any action for. Now talking about the liftman's behavior. Why did he behave in such a way? Liftman behaved in such a way because the lift passenger, he was impolite with him. Now why was the lift passenger impolite with him? Because his employer did not wish him good morning. Now why the employer did not wish him good morning? Because maybe the writer says that he was henpecked by his wife. Henpecked means he was not treated well by his wife. Now why did the wife behaved in such a way? The wife behaved in such a way because she was insulted by the cook. What the cook who was there in her house, she behaved rudely with the wife. Now why did the cook behave in such a way? Why was she rude to her uh, master? So she was bad to her master because the cook was back answered by the maid. So it all starts by the maid and ends up with the liftman. So all this is a chain reaction. It passes, bad manners pass from one person to another. So we infect the world with ill manners. It's a chain reaction, is said by the author A.G. Gardiner, which is very true. Author says that the misbehaviors or ill manners are due to the chain reactions. If somebody misbehaves with you, so you are bound to misbehave with the next person. So he gave some examples for that. The chain reaction, he has shown that Sir Anthony Absolute, he bullied uh, Captain Absolute. Now as Captain Absolute was bullied, he scolded Fag, his servant, and Fag in return he has kicked the page boy. So one by one, if what is given to us, we give it back to the other person. So the bad manners are uh, infecting the other persons one by one in whose contact we come. So like that, it is a chain reaction. The basic theme of the essay is that courtesy and manners of behavior, if they are good, they can make the situation happy. Author says that there is no law to compel anybody to show manners, to say please, but we should sympathize with the liftman because he was not wrong from his part. The passenger, if would have said please, the matter would have been solved there itself, but his disconcern showed that he had to bear the anger of the liftman. We should always acknowledge the service of the people, those who are working for us. Please and thank you are the small ways of showing concern as a social being. We are living in the society, and if we show these manners, we can accelerate the work. There will be a friendly cooperation between us and the people. So no law can guide our private manners, personal manners, and there is no law to govern the social civilities also. Our speech or our tilt of eyebrows, what facial expressions we don't have any laws for that, or for our moods and manners, there are no laws. So, but we should have that self realization and we should behave in a concerned way when we are living in the society. That is the ultimate message that the author wants to convey through this essay. Now in the second part we are going to study the good manners of the conductor makes the passenger's journey pleasant. That we will do it in the next part. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next part. Till then, goodbye.
So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video, and also to like the video. Thanks for watching.